controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn, and then powers straight into the vertical. Then, watch as Major Dickinson changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. Requiring all of your bombs and missiles to be carried internally. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapon fluid. Radio your camera says the Raptor bakes in from your left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Folks, if you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this class to the men and women of the armed forces and their families and support them. We also like to remember wounded warriors and veterans in attendance and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this moment. Now, from behind and to the right, the F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication dance. The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, even in extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a full 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Then, in less than 2,000 feet of altitude and under complete control, Major Dickinson will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. power loop, you'll see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical flight as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of the two powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you will see the Raptor perform the loaded roll. Many jets can turn tight. Many jets can roll quickly, and many jets can climb fast. But not many can slide. Watch now from behind as the Raptor flies over. Push straight up into the vertical and brings his throttles to narrow. And then under complete control, actually slides backward. Repositions the aircraft to crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots and loads upon a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Dickinson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, the Raptor's slow speed ends. set up to perform a hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for the heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors Hoover Pitch. Since 9/11, your United States Air Force has provided over 900,000 air missions in support of today's fight, guaranteeing our joint forces the freedom to attack, and freedom to maneuver. However, our potential adversaries have not sat idly by. Instead, they have developed increasingly capable fighter aircraft and surface-to-air missile systems, potentially putting our airmen in harm's way. The 5th-generation Raptor is the precision limits engagement and fully integrated avionics. The F-22 will ensure our ability to continue to provide air dominance worldwide for the United States and our allies.